Alright guys, trumpet lesson, first one for the second semester. We're gonna just jump right in here. I'm gonna start on our daily warm-ups, and this is for the 5th grade. I've already gone over this with the middle schoolers, so you can, or with the 6th and 7th grade, so maybe you can skip ahead to where that is. But I'm gonna go over the warm-ups for the trumpet. Now I've already taught you guys all your notes, right? Your first 5 notes, your C, D, E, F, and G. But we're going to go over them a little bit. I would write them in on your tone builder here. You've got little dashes underneath of it. Write them in so you don't have to think about them. Okay, the easiest way to get better is to get rid of thoughts you don't need to think about. So if you don't need to think about your notes, you can think about making a better sound. And that's what the tone builder is for. Tone builder is for making a better sound here. So let's just dive in. Tone builder, measure 1, you've got G. G is open, no fingers on. So let's hear it. I'm going to play it. I want you to play it with me. Here we go. G. 1, 2, ready. G. Okay, there's your G. Open. F is the next note, your second measure. Okay, and let's play the F. First valve down. Let's hear it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so your first 2 measures, you've got 4 quarter notes on the G and 1 whole note on the F. Okay, so it's going to be G, 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 F, G, 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 F. Okay, think of the syllable ta when you change notes. Ta, 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 ta. And we're going to play that. Here we go. G, D, 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 F. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, the next rest of the song, rest of the warm-up is the same exact rhythm, just on different notes. So your second section is going to be E, 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 D. E is 1 and 2, D is 1 and 3. Let's hear E. Play along with me. 1, 2, E, go. Okay, E. I'm going to hold it out. 1, 2, hold E out, go. Okay, and here's D. 1 and 3. 1, 2, D, go. There it is, right? Then your last section is all C's, all low C's. No fingers on, play low. 1, 2, hold it out, C. So let's play this whole thing. Let's hear it. Play along with me, or wait till I play it and then play it back from the top. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest. 2, 3, 4. Rest. 2, 3, 4. Right? Pretty simple stuff. And we'll go over the rhythm etude as well, and I'll play the chorale for you, but we don't have to go over that yet. The rhythm etude is the same notes as the tone builder. It is just, it's about rhythm now. So I would write in my rhythm here. We don't deal with 8th notes yet, but you count them with 1 and 2, and you count them with ands in between the numbers. So this rhythm is going to be 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1. You hold out that last one because it's a half note. And you do that 3 times on 3 different arrangements of notes, right? So this first one is going to be C, C, D, 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 E. Okay, let's play that. C, C, D, 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 E. C, C, D, 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 E. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, pretty simple rhythm. You just gotta get that tongue moving quicker. Ta, 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 ta. The next one, E, E, F, 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 G. E, E, F, 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 G. Let's hear that. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, and then your last one, G, F, E, E, D, D, C. And that's one where you gotta really learn and practice switching notes. That's where it's going to be harder. Let's play it. 1, 2, ready, go. Not too hard there. Let's play the whole thing. Rhythm etude straight through. 1, 2, ready, go. 3, 4. 3, 4. Okay, and that's your rhythm etude. And if you can't get it quite right fast enough, slow it down. Start it slow and then speed it up once you can do it. If you can play it slow, you can play it fast, right? We can go over these musical symbols, but I'm going to play the chorale for you first. If you want to play the chorale, you can try it, but it's not really necessary right now. The rhythm etude and the tone builder are good enough for your warm-up today. But here's the chorale. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, it's slow and it's a little bit lower, so it's a good thing to practice. Let's go over these musical symbols though, because you want to know everything about the music you're playing. You need to make sure you know what these words mean so you can play them right. So andante, A-N-D-A-N-T-E, andante means play it slow. It's slow music. The P, what does P mean? P means piano, it means quietly, okay, softly, so you're going to play it soft. Less air in your instrument. Or, yeah, less air. What does mezzo forte mean? The MF. MF means medium loud. Okay, medium loud, a little bit more air. The crescendo, the little alligator that gets bigger and bigger, you're going to get louder over time. Okay, you're going to get louder over the space of that crescendo. The opposite, the decrescendo, where it goes down, is the opposite. You get quieter over time. Okay, and then the final one, the little loop with the dot on it, that is a fermata, F-E-R-M-A-T-A. That means you just watch the conductor until he cuts you off. If you don't have a conductor, if you're just playing by yourself, then you just cut off whenever you feel like it, right? But that's the warm-ups. I would practice those warm-ups only right now. You don't have anything else you need to work on. Practice switching notes, practice getting a good tone, and practice reading your music, right? There's nothing else you need to fool with. You're beginners, okay? So 5th grade, that's about my video for the day. Spend some time working on that. Take it slow, take it fast, and build those skills so that when we get together we can get better faster, okay? You don't need to watch any more of the video of 5th grade. We're moving on to 6th and 7th grade stuff. Actually just 6th grade because I don't have any 7th grade trumpets right now. But yeah, 6th and 7th grade stuff right now. So 5th graders, you can turn it off. I'll see you next week. 6th and 7th graders, we have when rhinos do the rumba in the rain for the trumpet. Now we already went over this in class. I'm not going to pretend that you're stupid and have to reteach it all. We've already taught it. You've got it in your brain. Now we just need to practice playing it. Okay, and I'll play it for you just so you get the idea. Okay, that's what we're looking at. And this is all 8th notes. Back to back to back. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Hardest part is just getting those high notes out. We start F, F, E, F, G, G, A, B natural, and C. Okay? F, F, E, F, G, A, B natural, C. Play it slow first to really practice moving those notes. If you don't know what the fingerings are, they're at the bottom of the page. So let's play it slow, and you can watch my fingers. Switch around so you can see my buttons. Okay, when you play higher notes, you want to push the air faster, really pump it out. Don't be afraid of it. You're gonna make a loud noise, okay, until you can learn to control it. And once you can do it slow, do it faster. See, that's my limit, right? I can't play much faster than that. But it's 2 measures, guys. It's real simple, okay? The only hard part about that is to do it. You just got to practice it. There's no other help that I can give you there. There's no other advice. The fingerings are rather simple. Da da do da 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 do do da. Just remember them. Write them in. Write your notes in, and work on reaching those high notes. Okay? If you're having trouble reaching the high notes, put the air in. Take a big breath and aim your air as far forward as possible, like you're shooting a laser beam. Just work on getting those high notes out. That's the hardest part here. Practice your fingerings, practice your notes, and just practice playing those high notes. That's the hardest thing for you. But there's really not much more advice I can give you, except other than just to like waste time here. So that's all I'm going to do for you for that trumpet video. Yeah, I should have. I'm going to put that away. If you're in the 6th and 7th grade, if you're in the 7th grade, then you can follow along with this next bit, or in the 8th grade. But we're going to look at some, hopefully, we're going to look at some marching band music here, so I can give you some help on that. If you haven't learned this stuff yet. So if you don't have your music, then don't watch this part yet, but come back and watch it later after I give it to you. But we're going to start all the marching band music we worked on the other day with Gonna Fly Now, the theme from Rocky. It's really not too hard. It's a little high. It's a little high for our level, but it's really not. I mean, it's pretty simple. The hardest part is the double tonguing. Ta 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 ta. It's fast, but I'm just gonna play it for you. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's B natural. Sorry. That's the second trumpet part. You've got harmony there. It only really works with the first trumpet part. It sounds weird if you don't play it with the first trumpet, but we don't have first trumpet here, so maybe I'll play the first trumpet part. No, I'm not going to sound good enough. Work with your trumpet friends, and we'll get it. But let's just talk about these rhythms. First, 2 measures, same rhythm. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. 1 and a 2, a 3, a 4. Or 1 and a 2, a 3. It's weird. Ta 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 ta. You just gotta feel that. Ta 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 ta. Ta 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 ta. Boodum bum bum bum. Boodum bum bada boodum bum. Just work on your fingerings here, guys. Let's try that again. So that measure 9. 1 and a 2, a 3 and 1. Da da da, boo doo da. A G A G A B. Practice that slowly. And then 1. I got no range on the trumpet. It's pretty pathetic. But that's Rocky. Follow along with me and play along with that. And the rhythms, honestly, the rhythms in marching band, you're going to play what the high schoolers above you are going to play. It doesn't matter what I teach you. You're gonna play whatever they do, and they don't follow the music anyway. So it'd be a waste of my time to teach you the rhythms because they're not gonna play them right anyway. Iron Man. This one's high, and I won't be able to play it. It's really high, but I'll try it. Nope. Too high for me. Sorry. It is, I'll play it low. Sure. Play that, play the whole thing down an octave. Take it down, and then once it's down, it's really, really easy. It's very slow, and because it's so slow, those 16th notes are not scary. The 1E and a 2E and 3 and 4, they might as well be 8th notes. They're really easy. So let's play that tempo again. Take it down an octave. Really, just take the whole thing down. D, F, F, G, G. B, A, B, A, B, A, F, F, G, G. That's the whole tune, right? Iron Man. Trumpet 1 part's really hard. Trumpet 2, just take it down an octave. It's real simple. The Hey Song. How much time do I have? Good Lord, I'm running out of time. Let's see. Oh, I do have the trumpet 2. So I was right. Yeah, that's the trumpet 2 part in there. I did something wrong here. Anyway, trumpet 2 part is what I said. It's in there. Yeah. Yeah, don't worry about it. You're fine. Let me look at the fight song. This is in your yellow book, actually. We've been over it before. Let's see. Don't quite have those notes. Yeah, we'll look at that later. The Hey Song. That's still too high for me, guys. I'm gonna really let your older trumpet players help you with this one. It's not because I'm lazy. It's because I'm not a good role model on trumpet because I don't sound good enough to really teach this stuff to you the way I want to. And the Hey Song rhythm is really easy. Da da da. Hey. Ba-dum da da. Da, 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 hey! It's a whole thing, guys. It's real simple. You don't need my help with that. Yeah, I think that'll be good. So if you need more help, let me know. And I'll get more in depth on some of the later stuff. But honestly, marching band trumpet stuff is a little out of my wheelhouse. I'm not as good as I need to be at the trumpet to really play it as well as I should be. But that's all I got for that. I will see you guys next week for trumpet video number 2 this semester. I hope you're having a good weekend. I will see you later. Goodbye.